Chocolate is not only delicious but also versatile for baking and decoration. You can easily melt chocolate and use it with various piping bags, whether professional ones, homemade from parchment paper, or even a Ziploc bag. For best results, especially with thick frosting, a professional piping bag is recommended. When melting chocolate, bittersweet and semi-sweet varieties work interchangeably, while unsweetened chocolate should be avoided for piping due to its bitter taste. Dark, milk, and white chocolates offer different flavor profiles, allowing you to choose based on your preferences. Chocolate wafers are ideal for melting, but if you're using chocolate blocks, cut them into small pieces for easier melting. The stovetop method is effective for melting chocolate, ensuring the bowl does not touch boiling water. Just be cautious when handling hot materials.